Wagwan, my people. Wagwan. Damn it. How y'all are doing? How y'all doing? Welcome to the stream. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. How are you guys doing? Valentine? How are you? Nelson? Alela? How you guys doing? My God. All is good. That y'all are good. Good to see you. Good to have you too here, man. Good to have you back. Is the audio and the music balanced well? I hope it's not too loud. And all that jazz. Hope everything is fine. For a second you thought I wasn't coming. I was just still setting up the stream. Still setting up the stream. Audio is good. Nice. Welcome to the stream, guys. Hope y'all having a good day. Make sure you hit that like. Before you continue, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit that like button. Really helps a lot. So yeah, as you all know, before you begin with anything, we always check the economic calendar, right? I could have went live earlier actually, just to see what's the what we got on the GBP, what we were gonna have, what was the GBP gonna do, and then as you can see, we came up positive on this red folder news on the GBP, so you should be expecting some higher prices. KB, what's good, man? What's good? Finally we got you on the stream early today. Not an hour late. Rich, what's up, man? How are you? Hola, man. What's up? How's you doing? So yeah, as I was saying, 2 a.m. with some news, high impact news. So yeah, should have some positive results on the GBP, and then obviously we got some core PPI at 8:30, and some This guy is speaking. This guy is speaking. Paul is speaking at 10 a.m. So should expect some wild stuff during New York. Should have some movement. I might even go live. I don't know. I might probably go live New York again. But we'll see about that. We'll see about that. Wednesday, I'm definitely going live. Definitely going live on Wednesday tomorrow on New York too. Just to see, just to tape read all this news. So yes, now that we got that out of the way, let's just check what we really have on today. So yeah, let's just jump to GBP first, you know, just to see what really happened with the news. As you can see, we already spiked, we already hit both bias equity, I mean Asia low and Asia high. We already swept that on the GBP USD, which is crazy. But I have a feeling we're still gonna get more higher prices. As you see here, we got this fair value gap, so price might reject off of that and give us more higher prices. But is that a trade I'm willing to trade? I don't really know. Let's look at the daily. Maybe, yeah, the daily still stands. We're in a discount right now. We're currently in a discount, so you know, some buys from this discount, maybe to buy side liquidity, you know, or maybe to take out previous day high. As you all see, that previous day high is just roaming up there. Let's just mark it as previous day high. Previous day high. Right, we got that previous day high there, so yeah, maybe this might be the trade. This might be the trade, but we'll see. We'll see how that actually plays out, as I'm also looking at EURUSD buys, to be honest, right? And I'll go through that in a minute on reason why I'm looking for buys on the EURUSD. Joseph, there is something I don't understand. If market is not affected by buyers or sellers and is an algorithm, why is it affected by the news? Because the news, how do I put it in a simple way? Because the news affects, obviously they affect the whole economy. Let's just say, for example, there's interest rates in America, right? There's interest rates, there's job claims, there's unemployment claims, or whatever the news is. It affects the economy, it affects the dollar itself, it affects the American government itself, right? Whether the economy is rising or falling, something like that, right? Just to put it in a simpler way, not to go speak all this big languages and big words and all that, but yeah, something like that. So if that affects, it will definitely affect the dollar itself. It will definitely affect that currency, and that's why it's affecting the market, because that's what we are trading. We are literally trading the dollar versus the euro. So also, if the euro has some they have some you know, news up there, unemployment rates and all that, obviously it affects the economy, it affects the euro, so therefore it will affect the market, because that's what we're trading. That's exactly what we're trading. We're trading the foreign pairs against each other. So if one country is not doing bad, I mean is doing bad, let's just, for example, the Americans are doing bad, it will definitely affect the dollar, which will definitely affect the market, because we are trading the American dollar. So yeah, that's, I don't know if I answered you, Joseph, or maybe if there's someone with a better explanation who can actually type that in the chat, who can do it better than I did, because I feel like I just butchered everything there. You got it? Okay, cool. I hope that was a better explanation. So yeah, as you can see, that is the probably gonna reject off of this auto block here, but just gonna see how that plays out. This is probably has something to do with the, got the BC and we got the auto block. This probably has to do something with the dollar index. Let's go to the dollar index exactly. The dollar index just skyrocketed to give us more higher prices. Overall, what am I expecting on the dollar, right? Let's go to the daily. Looking at our obviously our IPTA data, price did reject off of this H4. I will go to that when we go to the H4. And then currently we're in a discount for the month. The month of May we opened up there, and then currently we're in discount. We haven't taken out the 20 days high. We almost got it on the 1st, but we didn't actually take it out, and then we're currently dropping, right? And then my next draw in liquidity is to actually take out this 20 days low, right? But the fact that we actually manipulated into this buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, which is a fair value gap, a bullish fair value gap, and then we rejected off of the consequent encroachment of it, the halfway point of that. And then a part of me is saying I should expect higher prices to take out 20 days high before we might even get, we might be dropping. And also the seasonal tendency, the seasonal tendencies of the dollar is saying we're gonna be expecting some higher prices. Let me just try to check that for a minute before we actually go into the dollar index, just to see what we actually expecting, you know. So as you can see, the month of May, seasonal tendencies that we should be expecting some higher prices. As you can see, the month of May is just bullish from the dollar index. We should just be expecting some bullish momentum from the dollar index, you know. So there's a seasonal tendency. So that might be the case where, like, you know, price right now that we might be in the discount for the month, and then prices might just take off for the rest of the month, taking out this 20 days high. So that might be the case where, and if that's the case, if dollar is giving us higher prices, the euro should be giving us more lower prices. And also looking at the seasonal tendencies for the euro, it's lower prices, right? If you look at let's go to the euro real quick. The euro seasonal tendencies during the month of May, as you can see, it's bearish momentum, just all the way, just bearish the whole month, right? So that means we should be expecting the EURUSD to actually drop, but that's not, I'm not saying that will happen. It's just seasonal tendencies, you know. It happens most of the time during this time of the month, during May. But yeah, I'm just gonna see gold analysis for London session. I'll go through that in a minute. The FX market is affected by news events because they provide critical information influencing traders and investors perceptions of economic conditions and risks. Yeah, that's a very nice way to put it. But yeah, that's Joseph, I hope you're reading that too. So that's why it is affected by the news. That's why it is affected by the news. So as I was saying, DXY, it might be a part where, like, we might be getting higher prices. As you can see, sell side has been swept. We have all that buy side liquidity up there, and then we have this buy side liquidity. So we might be going for that buy side liquidity. And then looking at a smaller time frame, already taken out Asia high. So the question is, are we gonna drop, take out low, then give us higher prices, or we're just gonna shoot up and, you know, we're just gonna shoot up and give us more higher prices, right? So that's the question. That is the question. So dropping back to the EURUSD, we already taken out Asia low, right? And as you all know, what we do after taking out Asia low, we look for buys, right? And we got that buy side up there, which is it the previous day? No, yeah, we got that buy side there, which is the previous day high, and then also got that buy side there. So that might be our next drawing liquidity, right? And then looking at the H4, we're currently in a BC. We're currently in a buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. We're currently in that buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. So I'm expecting more prices to actually reject off of this and give us more higher prices. And looking at the daily, right? Looking at the daily, we're currently in a daily order block too. We're currently in a daily bullish order block, right? We took out this day's high, and then yeah, I'm expecting price to actually take out the previous day high. Let me just mark that as the previous day high instead of buy side liquidity, right? Previous day high. And we're currently in a discount, also in a daily bullish order block. So this is why I'm expecting more higher prices on the euro. This is why I'm expecting more higher prices on the euro. And then, as you all know, we always switch to the 1 minute. Always switch to the 1 minute to get that microstructure shift. Always switch to the 1 minute to get that microstructure shift and see if we can be able to buy. So currently we haven't got that microstructure shift. Our Killzone started right here, and then yeah, and we only now swept Asia low, so we're only waiting for a microstructure shift currently. And then yeah, after that we're gonna see what we can take. Check GBP. Think we could sell. I'll check that in a minute. Please remind us the name of the season indicator you use, Joseph. It's I don't think it's available for the public. I tried to find a way. I try to find a way to actually get this and share it, but I can't for some reason. I don't remember how I actually got it, honestly. As you can see, it's locked. It is locked. I think it was that case where like I had to ask for permission to use it. I actually don't remember how I got this. I don't want to lie. I honestly do not remember how I got this indicator, but as soon as I get it, I'll definitely share it with you guys. So yeah, this is what we're expecting. Microstructure shift. If you can get that microstructure shift, I'll be happy to actually buy. I'll be happy to buy this EURUSD, right? So yeah, I'm just gonna put it on the side. Let me just put it on the side while I analyze, so I don't miss, because I always get carried away. Oh, somebody said gold, right? Somebody said gold. What did you say about gold? Gold analysis. But yesterday I actually had sells on gold. I actually had sells on gold, which I actually took most of my partials here and not profits. I think I did share it in the channel, right? I did share it in the channel. Well, I only shared the results of it because I only sent the setup to my students. So yeah, as you'll see, microstructure shift on a 15-minute with the CB, prices rejected off of that, then gave us more lower prices. And as you can see right now, we're just dropping. We just took out Asia high, and then the question is, did we get a microstructure shift to actually sell it off after we took out that Asia high? Killzone, I don't think we got that anywhere after Killzone. I don't think it confirmed after the Killzone. Maybe on a lower time frame it probably did. We do have a microstructure shift here, right? We do have a microstructure shift there, but prices didn't come back to confirm it. But maybe on a 15 minutes probably did get a microstructure shift. We did, but prices didn't come to actually rebalance, not confirm, but rebalance that microstructure shift to actually take the trade, right? To actually take that sell position, because if price did come back and then rebalanced that CB, it would have been a nice sell, right? It would have been a nice sell. gbpjpy looking good for buys. Okay, we'll check that in a minute. How does one become a student under you? Just text me on Telegram. Just text me on Telegram. I can put you in our mentorship role. Just text me on Telegram, and then yeah, I'm not sure if you're in the Telegram channel. It's in the description, or I can just link my Telegram channel. I'm in my Telegram, my direct Telegram link right here. So gbpjpy, switch to the 15-minute. You said a good AMD, right? Let me do that in a quick minute. Oh, you're saying you're already on the Telegram channel. Dope. So yeah, you can just text me there, and then we'll see what we can do. We might get the AMD on gbpjpy. I can see the accumulation manipulated lower into that bearish order block, and then yeah, we might, since we got positive news on the GBP, we might get more higher prices. And then currently we're in this, I would say this is a breakaway gap. I like to tell it this as a breakaway gap, but the fact that we already covered 50% of it, it's crazy. Then we have that market structure shift with a BC, prices might shoot up. Yeah, it might be the case where gbpjpy might be shooting up but giving us higher prices, right? And yeah, because of maybe AMD manipulated lower, and so maybe this can use this 5-minute order block too, right? And then now we might be getting higher prices. That might be the case. Is it good enough for me to actually trade it? No, I don't think so. I do not think so. Somebody said I must check. No, I'm just I'm already in the TG. Oh, you'll text me. Oh, cool. No problem. Yeah, that's technically GBP-AUD. I'm not sure if you all were actually here on the stream, right? I'm not sure if you were here on the stream yesterday. Most of you, if you were here on the stream, I was actually expecting a buy on this thing, right? After we took out Asia low, right? And then prices were right here, and then prices dropped, and then I was waiting for Asia low to be taken out, and then we actually just did sweep it, right? And then went back a little bit lower. I was expecting some buys here. I had a little setup here, market structure shift, and then price went up and then went to my SL area. I didn't take it, I was just tape reading it. And then look at what price did during the New York. It just shot up, and my target obviously was Asia high. It was Asia high, and that was like some good pips. That was actually some good pips, somewhere around there. And then targeting Asia high, it was like around 50 pips. That was more than enough for one session, even for a day. It is more than enough. So that was that. And then currently we're just looking at this too, GBPUSD, and as you can see here, price is rejected off of the bullish order block. We might get higher prices. but me personally, I don't know how I feel about this. But the fact that we have, I think this might be a good buy, and currently we're in a microstructure shift with a BC, so this might be a good buy, to be honest. Taking the fact that we are the GBP seems to be a little bit bullish for this session. It might give us some bullish, you know, this is a lot. How many pips is that? 55 pips. That's not a lot. Can risk like 10, and then this might be like a little bit of a swing because you'll be targeting the previous day high, right? And that is like 10 pips, and you can still risk less, right, and put it below there, risk like 6 pips. You can still put it below there, but yeah, this doesn't seem like a bad trade actually to take, especially looking at the daily. As I analyzed in the beginning of the trade, this doesn't really look bad to take. Looking at the microstructure shift and all, might not be a bad trade, but looks like we might be late for that. But if we can actually come back and rebalance that again, I might take the trade, to be honest. And looking at EURUSD, right? Looking at the EURUSD, let me switch to the EURUSD and watch the GBP this side. Looking at the EURUSD, we didn't give that proper microstructure shift that I was actually looking at. It did give us a microstructure shift, and then price rebalanced off of that BC right there, but that is not good enough for me. BC, that is not good enough for me to actually take the trade, right? Some people might use it as an entry, but not for me. It is not good enough for me to take a trade. We do have this microstructure shift here, and then if that confirms, if this microstructure shift confirms, that's where I'll be actually taking the trade. I will be actually be happy to take that trade, and then it will be something like this. Can even risk like around 8 pips or whatever, but it even allows you to be flexible, right? And then you can target previous day high, I mean Asia high, or the previous day high. You know, this might be the trade. Whenever we take out that Asia high, you might as well just take partials, take your profits, and yeah, must take some partials. As you can see, we already confirmed the market structure shift. It just needs to rebalance, price just needs to come back and rebalance, which we're just about to do that right now. So today I might take both trades. I might take the GBP, and the euro. Let's have them both side by side so we can monitor them, right? So just waiting for price to dip into that BC, and then as soon as we do that, I'll be happy to take the trade. And then I'm not sure if y'all can see. Wait, guys, don't tell me that you're not looking at the screen this whole time, or it just switched now. Hey. So yeah, as you can see now, EURUSD just tapped into that BC. I'm gonna go ahead and take my trade on that while I wait for the euro, while I wait for the GBP USD. So that's the first trade. That's the first trade. And then remember, if it doesn't play out, it is what it is. We move on. And then if it plays out, same way to move on from the trade. Move move on from the trade, and then yeah, I'm gonna go long there. And then while I wait for GBP, also if GBP can retrace back into that BC, I'll also be happy to actually take the trade. And if not, it is all right. It is all right. Joel, morning. How are you, man? How are you? How are you? How are you? Nelson, I'll wait for GU for a potential retracement. Yeah, which we are getting right now. Which we are getting. What is the difference between the first BC to second BC in Euro USD? I'm guessing you're saying difference between this and that one. The difference between this and that one is that this the second one happened in a market structure shift, right? It happened inside the market shift. The market structure shift pierced through that BC, and then this one is a little bit lower. So I happen to like trading the one that pierces through the fair value gap. Yeah, I like the one that pierces through, not under, not on top. The one that pierces through the market structure shift should pierce through that BC. That's the one that I'll prefer taking trades on. That's my confirmation. That's the difference between the two. And I tend to categorize that as high as a 8+ trade than this one. If this happens, I always cut my risk into half. But when this one happens, I just risk my usuals. So stuff like that. I'm not sure if you guys can see the GBP. You all can see both charts, right? You all can see both charts. Let me hide the chat. Should I hide the chat for now, since I got two screens? But yeah, GBP USD rebalanced into that market structure shift with the BC. I might also consider taking that trade, and then if it doesn't play out, it is what it is. I might consider taking that trade. I'm considering taking that trade. And then target, obviously, I think it's the previous day high. Yeah, previous day high, because we already taken out Asia high. So the next target can be previous day high. Should be previous day high. And remember, guys, make sure you don't over risk. Don't over risk on your trades. Don't over risk. If the trade doesn't fit your risk management profile, don't take it. Don't take it. If it doesn't fit, don't take it, because you're just gonna be putting yourself in trouble, right? Let's do this. Because if it doesn't fit your risk management profile, you're just gonna be bleeding. And make sure you use a proper risk management, okay? Make sure you use a proper risk management if you decide to do that. Eurusd already rejecting off of that BC. So is GBP. Let's just see. I want to see more microstructure shifts form from both of them. I want to see more microstructure shifts form. Just to, you know, because that's how you know that you're in the right direction. The minute you start seeing more microstructure shift on the minute you start seeing more microstructure shifts that goes with your trade, know that it might be in a good trade for that session. But other than that, yeah. What are you guys, besides EURUSD and GBPUSD, what are you guys looking at this morning? What are you guys looking at? What just happened with GBP? It literally just spiked down. Crazy. Holada po. Damn, I'm butchering your name. EU. Besides EU, so I'm guessing you're only looking at EU. Jordan said NAS. I haven't really checked NAS. Let's just go through that. NAS took out. Oh yeah, I said we're gonna go through yesterday's NAS trade that we actually looked at during London session. We were looking at this sell right here, and then prices did play out for a little while, and then reversed and then hit our SL. And then during the New York, I actually caught a sell. Somewhere. I did send it in the channel. I did catch a sell from somewhere there, I think. Yeah, from somewhere there. My SL was just, yeah, somewhere there, and I did take my partials when we got here. When price got there, I don't know why is it not. Yeah, something like this. When price got there, I took my partials. And then and then I was stopped out at break even. So that was like yesterday. I did send it on the channel, but this also didn't play out, which we logged this one in the trading journal, our live trading journal. I did log it. This one, of course, I didn't log it because it wasn't part of the live stream. And then you said NAS. I saw some sales there, right? Boom. Let's look at the daily. What do we have on the daily? Yesterday's candle failed to take out the previous day high, and also failed to take out the previous day low. So that makes me wonder, are we still gonna go up and take out previous day high, or we're just gonna consolidate in this because I realized that if the previous candlestick failed to take out the previous day high or low, we might consolidate for a while, right? But the question is, are we going higher to take out that previous day high? And then looking at the H4, we already took out this high, already took out that high, and this is an order block. Let me delete all of that. We have this order block. The question is, and we close below it, the question is, are we gonna use this as a breakup block to give us more lower prices, or we're just gonna reject off of it and give us more higher prices? It's also the same question that I have. But looking at intra session, we already took out Asia high, right? We already took out Asia high, and prices might reject off to take out Asia low, but it just kind of feels weird right now. NAS kind of looks weird, to be honest. It kind of looks weird, and the way we also just been slowly going up, accumulating up, you know, with no impulsive movement, just slowly, steadily going up, kind of feels weird. And also to sell, you might need some microstructure shift, right? You might need to see like maybe 5-minute, 15-minute microstructure shift to actually consider taking a sell, because the way price has just been steadily going up, yeah, you might need like a bearish microstructure shift to actually consider taking a sell on this. But I have a feeling we're just gonna keep doing this. Unless you get a microstructure shift to actually get a lower, at least 2 microstructure shifts, you know, at least 2. But yeah, I'm looking at BTC. I'm thinking of selling since BTC failed to break out. BTC. This was yesterday's analysis. Yeah, somebody actually bought all the way from down there, and I think they were targeting this high, but I think they hopped out earlier than that. As you can see, we did go to that target. But you said you're gonna sell since we failed to break out. Those are relatively equal highs, so, and it failed to take it. Those are relatively equal highs, so I expect price, where are you, relatively equal highs, so I expect price to actually go take those highs again, go back up and sweep them. Price might reject off of this order block, and then go sweep this. All that can go unpunished. All those highs up there can go unpunished. So I have a feeling that we might reject off of this order block, and then this bullish order block, and then take out these highs, and then we have that buy side liquidity up there. But now that we have this relatively equal highs, I expect price to go and take them out. I expect price to go up there and take them out. So yeah, if you want to sell, what would be your entry? If you want to sell, who said sell? Valentine. Yeah, if you want to sell, what is your entry on selling? Thanks. That's what I was thinking pretty much for NAS as well. Bullish or consolidation. Yeah, on NAS. Yeah. Tell you what, Euro USD is bearish on daily time frame. What do you think? Daily, it's bearish on daily. Let's look at that. Are you talking about the current candlestick? Because if you're talking about the current candlestick, you're right. But if you're talking about directional bias, no, we're not bearish. We're not bearish right now. If you're looking at this, If you're looking at this, we are not bearish, and the reason why I was actually looking at buys is that we are in a discount for the day right now. We're in a discount for the day. We took out this this is Friday's high. We're in a discount right now, and then this is a bullish order block. Let me draw. We're currently in a bullish order block, and we have that previous day high there. I'm expecting price to sweep that previous day high, and also we have that buy side liquidity up there, right? That's why I'm actually bullish on the euro. You can even do it simple, right? Since you're looking at this daily order block, switch to a 1 hour for a market structure shift. If a market structure shift forms on the 1 hour, that's when you can even have your trade. If it doesn't, then you stay away from the market, right? You don't trade it. But if you're saying it's bearish, I don't know. If you say it's bearish, I don't know. We are in a discount for the day for sure. We're in a discount for the day because prices opened here, and then currently we're in a discount for the day, which means it's a good position to be buying if you want to buy. And then if you want to sell, you should be expecting premium price. You should expect price to go up, then so you can look for a sell, right? So yeah, Andy, what's up, man? What is up? Jordan, that's why they call it nastiness. She be weird sometimes. Yeah. She be weird. She be acting weird and different at times. I think GU is dropping to that 5-minute fair value gap. GU is already dropping like this. Damn. Which 5-minute fair value gap are we talking about? What 5-minute fair value gap are we talking about? Are you talking about this? Was it Olela? Are you talking about this fair value gap right here? That's the only 5-minute fair value gap I'm seeing, to be honest. It's bearish. Check a trend line on several daily closes going down. Euro USD. German 30 going nuts. Let's see then. Damn. Took out Asia low. That's nasty. See it right there? That is nasty. Everything is perfect. I mean, I'm glad Andy said everything is perfect. And then Valentine, I was looking at it on H4 time frame. There's a downward trend on BTC. If it breaks the 60k LP zone, then I will sell. Dope. I hope I'm wrong because I'm longing. Olela, what's happening? Olela, you're praying that you are wrong, that it's going down there. Okay, let's go to the USD. Somebody said the on a daily time frame, who was it? Let me hide all of this. Somebody said Joseph. You said it's bearish. Check a trend line on several daily. Send me a chat, Joseph. I send me a chat on, let me pin my message, I pin my link to my Telegram. So if you can, please send me your chart so we can go through that, because I don't see what you're seeing. Please help me. We're in a trade that might be that might help us, you know, that might help us. So please, if you can send me your chart on Telegram, I'll be happy to check it out. Let me Olela, if you can, please. I mean, not Olela. Is it Joseph? Sorry, Olela, for for provoking you. Joseph, yeah. Anybody that actually wants to send me a chart that you want us to go through on the stream, please, if you're saying something, I would like to actually see what you guys see on the market. You know, as much as you guys might have came here to learn something, I also want to learn something from y'all. That fair value gap is actually cleaner on 15 minutes. Are you talking about the GBP? Yeah, the GBP is acting a little bit weird right now. Yeah, we do have that. And then, yeah, the GBP might be looking a bit cleaner. Stops. If you have your stops around 10 pips, because that's where I had my at least 8 pips to 10 pips, right? So you don't get that prematurely. 10 pips. Normally I would have my, during my London, I would have my stops at like 10 pips all the time. 10 pip stops, 10 pip stops. 8 is minimum. 8 is minimum, which is what I have at the moment. Jesus Christ. Which is what I have at the moment. 8 pip stop. On the EURUSD too, I actually have 8 pip stop. Yeah, there's it. That's exactly at 8 pip stop. Normally I'll go 10 straight, 10 pips, right? 10 pips, and yeah, just to be safe. But 8 if you know what you're doing. But yeah, that's why I have my stops, 8 pips, and then targeting previous day high on GU and EU. GU, yeah. I'm like, we might still manipulate a little bit lower too, right? We might still manipulate on that BC before. And looking at how the German KB, are you in a trade on the German? And looking at the German, the way it's dropping, all the pound pairs might also follow. I don't know. GBP AUD also, all the pound pairs are also falling. GBP AUD is falling. GBP JPY also, we're getting more lower prices, even though I was expecting prices to give us higher prices from this market structure shift, which we did not. So they're just going up. So GBP USD might be the weaker one. And then with gold, yeah, we might be getting bullish now. We might be who might be BC. Gold might be buying right now, and the reason why I say it might be buying, because we took out high buy side liquidity, right? What is this? We took out buy side liquidity, which is this Asia high. Took out Asia high from external liquidity to internal, and then what's internal? This BC rejected off in that, and then now we might be going for the external buy side liquidity. We're going for buy side liquidity, and then from after we take that, we might do the same thing again. Come for an efficiency that is lower there, that will probably create going to take out that. So from now on, I'm expecting more higher prices on the gold. I'm expecting more higher prices on the gold. If you can just respect this and then give us more higher prices, that would be nice. And then going to a 5-minute time frame, we also have that bullish order block right there. We're currently in a bullish order block, so I want to see this hold. No, I'm on a gbpjpy. Sell or buy? KB on a sell or buy. GU just took me out. Damn. Oh yeah. GU, we're out. We're out on GU. For obvious reasons. The fact that we already took out Asia high and Asia low, that's something we should jot down. That's something we should actually know. The fact that we already took out Asia low and Asia high, and then we went in a trade after that, is what we should also keep in our notes, that whenever this happens, we should stay away from it. We should stay away from a trade that's like this. And then looking at the Eurusd, still holding. Eurusd is actually still holding. It is still standing its ground. We're also gonna see how that actually plays out. What is going on? We're just gonna see how that also plays out. Yeah, we're just gonna see how the Eurusd also play out. But in the meantime, we can log the GU. Who's this? Kolela. I guess you are not wrong. I guess you are right. I'm selling, about to be out. I'm guessing I about to hit TP. Nice. Good stuff. If you're saying you're about to be out, I'm guessing you're targeting that low down there. You're targeting that low. So unfortunately, Kolela, you were right. Unfortunately. Did we have any other low impact that happened a little bit few minutes after? No, we did not have any low impact news. Medium. This guy, really? I thought you were in profits, man. Can't you were also buying GBP? I thought you were in profits. But anyway, I'm about to log this into our trading journal. Market structure shift with a BC. Let me leave some notes so that we remember this. Asia you blue? Asia high and low were already were swept prior to the trade. So that's something we should keep an eye on. Whenever we take trades, we should make sure that none of the high or low is swept. Where did it go? Okay, yeah. What's today's date? 14. What's Tuesday? We got the London. We got the GBPUSD. Did I take a screenshot of this? A link. If you want access to this, it's in the link. It's in the description. You can do that. We took a buy. Entry was at. We've been catching L's lately, innit? Copy on stream. Yes. Wait a minute. Oh, okay. And then stop. We got that. And then exit. We got exited at the. It was a loss. How many pips did we risk? 8 pips, right? We risked 8 pips. Minus 8. For NAS, I'm not gonna calculate that. That's a lot of pips to actually calculate on NAS, I don't wanna lie. So we're just gonna have NAS separately, the indices separately with the pairs. We're gonna have the indices separately with the pairs. So yeah, that was it for GBP. And then the only trade that we still have, which we're hoping it plays out, is the EURUSD. And like the fact that we haven't swept Asia low and Asia high, that's more like it. And then I hope you guys are actually paying attention to that. We swept during the news, we swept Asia low and we swept Asia high. That might contribute to the fact that our trade didn't really plan out. Our model didn't actually play out because of that fact. We've already taken out both highs and lows. gbpjpy said kiss of death. That low is a kiss is a death for you. Amen. 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 Let's see. Any pair you guys want me to look at? Yeah. Vels Crypto. Thanks for subscribing, man. Thank you for the subscription. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate your subscription. Welcome to the community. Okay, they sent me a chat long time ago. Was this you, Jordan, Joseph, yeah. Joseph sent me a chart. Trend lines. Okay, I see. This is Bitcoin. No, it's not. It's not Joseph. This is Bitcoin. Who sent me the chart, guys? Who sent me the chart? Oh, Joseph, was it you? Oh yeah, I said send me Bitcoin. Why you wanna sell? Why you wanna take a sell? So I'm guessing this is where you wanna take a sell to the bottom of the trend line. I'm confused. Why are you confusing me? Joseph, you're confusing me. Is this you who sent the chart, Joseph, or not? But yeah, whoever sent the chart, I'm guessing they said they wanna take a sell, and the reason why, maybe because they're at the resistance, resistant, yeah. They wanna take it, sell it to the support. That's not you. Oh, okay, that's not you. Okay, it's cool. Cool. Let's see who actually was talking about BTC. Valentine. I'm guessing this is Valentine. Yeah, I guess this is Valentine. Yeah, I'm guessing this is Valentine. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah. I hope so. So I'm guessing why you wanna sell it because of resistance, and then you're gonna sell it to the support until the support. I'm guessing this is why you probably wanna take a sell on the Bitcoin, right? Sounds like seems like a good idea, but I don't know. I don't trade support and resistance anymore. I don't trade trend lines anymore, so I can't really say much. I can't really agree or disagree on this trade. And yeah, and the fact that we have those relatively equal highs, I expect price to go back and take them out. That is what I'm expecting on Bitcoin. But yeah, I don't know who sent me the chart here on the chats, but it's fine. Nas finally dropping, right? Is it? Not really. Still waiting for that proper market structure shift, which we haven't actually got. Yep. Kieran, what's ATH? What's ATH, Kieran? What is ATH? All-time highs. Well, wait. All-time highs? What are you talking about, Bitcoin or NAS? Oh yeah, we also have those relatively equal highs on NAS. These are all-time highs, isn't it? No, they're not. Kiran, what are you saying? What are you saying? Oh, Bitcoin, okay. Yeah. We got all those highs there. It's a lot of buy-side liquidity to be swept, to be honest. A whole lot of buy-side liquidity to be swept. A whole lot of it that needs to be swept. And then this is might be rejecting off of this order block. This is like a H4 order block. So if price can actually reject off of that 15-minute market structure shift, we got it. Not yet. We haven't got the market structure shift on the 15 minutes. So yeah, I don't know, just gonna tape read it. You know, I already watched talk about 2022 ICT lessons on Top Step. I decided to also shift my mind. Then he deletes his message. Okay, Joseph, it's fine. Nice could go there if you look at the daily. Yeah, exactly what I was saying, that yesterday we didn't take out Friday's high, but the fact that we haven't taken out even the low, we might consolidate for a while in this area, or I might just go take out those previous day high and then give us more higher prices, because it's very close. Now this is very close to these highs. It's close to all these highs, right? If you look at that, and the weekly, yeah, still bullish. We haven't taken out previous week's high too. So yeah, and just gonna see. PPI today might do that, yeah. PPI might actually give us that. It might push us to take out those highs. It might push us to take out those highs during New York session. So yeah, I might live stream during the New York session just for those reasons, just for PPI, just to see price print, You know, I watched you talk about ICT 2022 lessons on Top Step. I'm also shifting from trend lines mindset slowly. Top Step, you mean, I'm guessing you mean the 5%ers. I'm guessing you mean the 5%ers, not Top Step. I'm guessing that's what you mean. You heard me talk about the 2022 lessons on 5%ers. You're also shifting from trend line mindset slowly. I'm like, if trend lines, yeah, 5%ers, yeah. I'm like, if they're not working out for you, you might as well try something else that might work. But if they're working, there's no need. If they're working for you, there's no need. You don't have to. There is no need. But if it's working, if it's not working, then yeah, might as well try to implement something different. Maybe it might help you with your trading. I don't know. I'm just saying. Let's check the dollar index to see what's really just consolidating the back out of the price. Nothing really much happening on the dollar index. But buy side, I'm expecting buy side to be swept, and then if I'm expecting buy side, that is not good for us, innit? It is not good to be selling. It's not good to be buying Euro, USD if you're expecting higher prices on the DXY. But looking at the daily, this is very nasty. We took out the previous day, we took out the Friday's low, so we're currently in a premium. So yeah, price should do the thing and take out previous day low. Should do the thing, but previous day high and Friday's high are so close. So close that we might just take those out first, right? But I want to see more lower prices on the DXY. Maybe today, take out the previous day low. Give us something to work out so that when we get to PPI this afternoon, we get some price action. Gold. What is happening on gold? I was expecting some okay, we might be getting because that's a is it a 1 hour? It's a 15-minute order buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, and that is a 5-minute order block, right? It was a bullish order block, so now we broke below. Are we gonna use it as a breaker block? You know, Are we gonna use it as a breaker block to give us lower prices, or are we just gonna go higher, take out this, and then come back min threshold? That might be the case. That might be the case. If it doesn't reject off of this and give us lower prices, I should be expecting this. I should be expecting this, but yeah. But I was actually expecting that 15-minute BC to hold, right? I was expecting, damn. I was expecting that 15-minute BC to hold to take out buy side liquidity, you know, from external Asia high swept to internal BC, and then yeah, that's what I'm expecting. So yeah, let's see what we're gonna get. I'm gonna take out buy side, come back, maybe retest that mean threshold of it to give us more higher prices, or what? Just want to see your view. You sent on Telegram. You sent. I don't see. Oh, you mean on the group? Yeah. Oh shit. So already, I'm seeing buy side. I'm seeing buy limits. You should have been tagged in already. Are you tagged in already, Kieran? I'm guessing you're tagged in already on the buys. And what's your target? Oof, that is clean, my boy. What is your target? That is a clean entry. Because literally this is your... I'm already into... God damn it. Ah, boy. But this was Kieran's trade. This is Kieran's trade. Target, they said... Jesus Christ. So what's your risk to reward on this trade? It's like what? Jesus, 1:6. That is insane. That is insane. What a crazy trade. Jordan TP1 51. I'm guessing Jordan also in a buy. Equal highs. Yeah, I'm guessing you're already in a buy too. Yeah, I'm guessing Jordan is also in a buy. 1:8 risk ratio. TP1 is 1:6. That is some crazy risk to reward. That is some crazy risk to reward. Clean, very clean. I got in the same as Kieran. Oh, dope. That is dope, man. That is dope. Yeah, that was a dope entry, to be honest. That was a dope entry. And also this can still confirm. If I can get price to come back here, it might be another confirmation. You know, mean threshold of it. But it would be nice if it takes out that buy side. This makes a market structure shift, then come back in it, then come back. Then come back. Might use it as a breaker block. This qualifies as a breaker block, right? Bullish breaker block. and then we get some more higher prices. Now, I'm just going for the buy side liquidity to be swept, but bullish for NY session as well. Yeah, you're just gonna see NY session. I'm interested in what the gold will give us during the NY session. Kindly show me how you calculate 10 pips stop loss on EU. 10 pips stop loss. What do you mean? Simple. If you're using this tool, it can show you there. This is 8 pips, right? If your entry is right there, this is 8 pips. And then if you want to take it to 10 pips, that's 10 pips, right? That's 10 pips. Then you can see your price there. 10772 77772. That's how you calculate. That's how you can calculate 10 pips. You can also use this tool to calculate 10 pips. There you go. That's 10 pips. Now you know that if you enter exactly there, that's where your stop loss is, right? And then if you're using MetaTrader, same thing. You know, you can just use the crosshair. 10 pips. How many points? Look at points. It should be 100 points. 10 pips is 100 points. If you do that, it's 100 points. You can literally just calculate like that. As you can see here, I had somewhere about 7 pips, 8 pips stops. So yeah, that's how you calculate. That's how you calculate. Oladapo, did I answer you? I hope I answered you. Watching the 15-minute to disrespect the 3 a.m. candle might use to push higher. Gold is weird, so get in this with the spare account. Spare account, eh? Going in everywhere, baba. Main, side, spare. Yonkinto, baba. Yonkinto. Again, this is a nice trade. How many pips is this? This is 20. This is 30. 30 pips. Is this 30 pips? Is this 30 pips? Is that 30 pips? Is that 30 pips? I'm tempted to go in with this, you guys. This looks clean. Looks clean. Looks very, very clean. Let's see if we can take that trade. Let's go. So This is the trade. Taking it from the breaker block. That trade of the stream today. Taking it from the breaker block. Where's the target? Sheesh. Can target buy side liquidity. I don't want too much. I don't want too many things on gold. That's TP1. That's TP1 on gold. The rest, if you want to target higher, might as well just take partials there and let it run. But yeah, buy side liquidity is first TP. Out of a run, heading out for a run. All right, man. Thank you for coming here and convincing us to take the buy on gold. Bye bye. Now bye bye. Yeah, but buy side, target buy side, and then yeah, and then SL, have it all the way down there, all the way. Can have it all the way at least below there. You can have it here, but just to be a little bit safer, have your SL there, and obviously use a proper risk management. Use a proper risk management for this one. Gold is very, yeah, it's very unkind. It is very unkind. How are you doing on EURUSD? Still around the same area. It's just still playing around. AUD. I feel like all the GBP pairs right now are just tanking down. They're just falling. AUD took out buy side. Took out Asia high and then started dropping. Did you get any entry? Did you get any confirmation? Any sell of that microstructure shift there? We definitely did get a trade on GBP AUD. We did get a trade, and then we have that, and then yeah, CB microstructure shift. It also played out nicely. No struggles whatsoever. GBP AUD gave a nice 10 pip stop. That is like the high. And then Asia low was around about 24 pips. GBP AUD actually gave a nice trade this London session. It actually gave a nice trade this London session, but it was looking a bit weird. I don't wanna take part of that. And looking at the H4, we broke all the way below. We're currently in the H4 BC. So we're just gonna see how that plays out. And the reason why I didn't want to look at this because of the GBP news, the fact that we came out positive. I don't want to mess with it. GBPJPY, KB, you're probably still alive. You're still alive because you see your stops are here to go by, stops are there. Yeah. And then NAS, see there's a thing about NAS, right? Let me turn back my chat. Here's the thing about NAS, right, is that if you're actually looking for a sell, this is the reason why right now it's just looking weird, right? It's looking too weird. You can't sell, and buying is a little bit tricky too, because the question is where you're gonna buy, right? Or even if you find a way to buy, where you're gonna put your SL, right? Just looking at this, if you buy, where you're gonna put your SL? It's just looking weird, right? And if you're selling, where are you gonna sell, right? So we need something, we need some price action. We need to stop all this and then give us some more proper action, which I think we'll probably get that during the New York session. So we're just gonna wait for the New York session for this. Just gonna wait for the New York session. And then the Germans, yeah, they're giving us bearish pressures, lower prices. Okay, we finished logging here. They're giving us lower prices on the Germans. So Bitcoin rejecting off of that order block, and then also rejecting off of this BC that we have there. So yeah, with the Bitcoin, I'm expecting more higher prices, honestly. I'm expecting higher prices on this. There's a 15-minute chart. This was a H4 order block, right? So since it's a H4 order block, 15-minute market structure shift, which we just went up and then rebalanced that buy side and balance, sell side inefficiency. So yeah, honestly, on Bitcoin, I'm expecting more higher prices, to be honest. I'm expecting more higher prices. What are you guys expecting on a Bitcoin? If you trade Bitcoin, what are you expecting? Because the one that sent me a chart, I'm guessing they were looking at sells. They were looking at sells because of obviously support and resistance. Prices at resistance. They're looking forward to sell it to the support. To the support. I think it was like a H4 type of thingy. Yeah, they were looking forward to sell it at the support, right? Yeah. So what do you guys got? Bullish, BTC, or bearish? Bullish or bearish, BTC? This is weird. Yeah, this is, and when we're gonna accumulate, it's just accumulating now. Prices are just gonna manipulate. They're just gonna manipulate after this, all this accumulation. If we manipulate higher, I don't know where we're going, but if we manipulate lower, let me go to the H1. If you actually manipulate lower, we might be going for this. We might be going for that. If you manipulate lower and then distribute higher, we might be going for that. It might be a case where prices is just doing that and then manipulate lower and then distribute higher. Or if we manipulate higher, we might manipulate higher, maybe take out that and then distribute lower. So whatever direction that you're gonna manipulate out of this accumulation, I'm very interested. I cannot wait. And the best one that might help us is for it to manipulate lower and stay there for a while, because that will help us push EURUSD bullish. It will actually help us push EURUSD bullish, because if you manipulate higher, EURUSD might also give us some lower prices, take us out, then give us more higher prices. But we're just gonna see how this plays out. Right now the market is so quiet, it's boring. It is boring, nothing really interesting. Nothing is actually interesting right now. Makes me wanna go outside and touch grass. Do you guys touch grass? You guys should touch grass. Don't just stay there on chats 24/7. You must go out and touch grass. But yeah, it makes me want to go out and touch some grass. Because we've been here. How long have I been streaming? Almost 1 hour 40 minutes. What's touching grass? Going outside. Just going outside. Just getting some air. Going out. That's touching grass. That's going outside. It's a term used for gamers, right? You know, like gamers, they'll be in the house literally the whole day. And they don't even go out, so go out and touch grass means just go out, get some fresh air, see people, see other human beings. That's what it means. That's what it means. I wonder what you thought it meant. I wonder what you thought grass meant. Very curious. Very, very, very curious on what you thought grass meant. I thought you meant doing press. Oh well. That can also work, right? That can also work. That can also work. GBP playing games. Playing games. Guys, what services do you recommend, guys? Oh, I've been waiting to ask you guys this question, right? This is not non-forex related. This is non-FX related, right? Which services do you guys recommend me watching? Because I recently just watched that the Shogun, right? I realized that Asian services are actually nice as hell. I watched the Shogun, dope stuff. I recommend you guys watch that. It's actually nice. Currently I'm watching this other one. It's also it's a Chinese series. Well, it's American and Chinese. It's the something 3 body something. I forgot. It's 3 body something. It's actually also interesting. But what do you guys recommend? A series that I can, you know, that blew your mind. Three body problem. Yeah. I'm currently watching that. I'm currently actually watching that. Seems interesting. Started yesterday. I only watched one episode so far. I actually started yesterday. Seems interesting. So yeah, seems interesting. So yeah, series like that. And then the one before that, Dark on Netflix. Dark. It's actually also it's a German series. It's a German series. You can choose whether you want obviously subtitles or you want the dubbed to English or whatever language you want to hear it in. Also perfect. It's a mind fuck. That series is actually a mind fuck. It's literally a mind fuck. But yeah, any recommendations, guys? 3-body problem, that's what I'm watching right now. Louis, any other interesting? Because I saw it's one season, so I'll probably be done with that too. So something nice, something I can Doug, the one going back in time. Yeah, that's the one. That is the one. Going back 30, 60 and in the future too. That's the one. 60 years and all that. That's the one. It's actually a mindfuck. Eurusd, my god. Bro, what are you seeing? Oh my god. Yeah. Remember the manipulation I was talking about? I said I hope the manipulation is lower. I'm guessing the manipulation it might be going higher. It didn't go in our favor, because I hope that the manipulation that we're gonna get out of this range is gonna go lower, then maybe go higher. At least that will give us some time to lock some profit or take partials on the EURUSD, right? But now looking at this, we're manipulating higher. Yeah, that's not good for us. That is not good. It is not good for us. It is not good. So let's hope it doesn't manipulate way too high. Let's hope the manipulation is not too high. Because if it is, yeah, I don't know. I don't know. If the manipulation is way too high, then yeah. Yeah, doesn't seem. It's not good for us. It's not good for us. It is not good for us. But yeah, manipulated higher on the dollar as I thought, but I didn't want manipulation to be higher. Add on GJ, GGY, GY, GJ. Yeah. It finally took out Asia low. GJ finally took out Asia low. And what's crazy about it is that we are back in discount. We are back in discount. So the next drawn liquidity might be this. Then we push back high. I have a feeling we might then maybe go back higher, but we'll see. Yeah, this manipulated higher. So we're just gonna see. Was this a manipulation, or are we actually going up? Right, that's the question. Was it a manipulation? Is this a manipulation, or are we actually going up? Because now the next strong liquidity is that buy side, right? The next strong liquidity is this buy side. This is previous day high. Let me just mark that out. Previous day high. That's the next drawn liquidity. We might be going for that previous day high, and then this was Friday's high. So yeah, This is not good. This is not good. This is not good. I was hoping for a lower manipulation. But yeah, USD is tanking also. Getting lower prices. We might be tagged out. Remember I had 8 pip stop. This is my stop. It's a 8 pip stop. Once we get that 8 pip, God damn it. Jesus Christ. GBP is not wasting time. Considering this, looking at this, looks like GBP is the weaker one and EURUSD is a stronger one, because we're still holding on the EURUSD. Well, barely. Still holding there while GBP is taking out lows. It's taking out previous sessions lows. It's going all the way down there, but eventually we're gonna hit SL either way on Euro. So there's that too. There's that too. Right. So yeah. Yeah, this is our, here's our enemy. Here's our enemy. Are you guys still holding? Did anybody take the EURUSD? Just say yay if you took the EURUSD. Did anybody take the EURUSD? If you took the EURUSD, just say yay in the chat. Let's just see who is still holding that EURUSD. This is is it the daily BC or daily order block? Just fully rebalancing that. Which is breaking lower. Oh, fully rebalancing that. God damn it. Hold it up. We're still holding. Yeah. Still holding too. Philip, is it Philip? Thanks for subscribing, man. Thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate that. Thank you for hitting that like, subscribing also. Appreciate it. I appreciate it. I'm seeing gold also. It's giving us higher prices. At least we got this saving us. Did anybody take gold? Who took gold? Because the only one who says you're still holding is hold it up. I'm guessing nobody. It's only you who took the EURUSD. And did anybody take gold too? Because I know who took it? Jordan. Yeah, Jordan. I know Jordan is still holding the buy. Did anybody also take a buy too on gold? Anybody in the world? I came through a whole lot. So many motherfuckers wanna know me, and I love myself. Guys, are you still here? Are you guys sleeping? What's happening? Are you guys sleeping? Come on, guys. Are you guys sleeping or something? Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. We are touching grass. Ha ha. Okay, 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 okay. Okay. That's cool. Okay. Okay, okay. Yeah, I might as well go touch grass. Even after this, definitely go and touch grass. Definitely. Having a terrible London session today. It's not good. Hitting SL twice. Yeah. It's not good. It's not good. It's not good. It's not good. Wait. Oh, god damn it. I forgot something. Looks like you're going for that SL. Yeah, looks like you're going for that SL. Yeah, looks like we're going for the SL. Yeah, Eurusd not wasting time. Not wasting time. I'm guessing we're going for that previous day high. Going for that previous day high. And I saw this, you know. But I was hoping we manipulate lower before we go higher. Manipulate lower before we get higher. But I guess, and I have a feeling Gbpusd is just, why can't we catch moves like this? Why didn't this happen bullish? Jesus Christ. This is nasty. This is nasty stuff. Nasty stuff. Very nasty. Look at the daily. See, daily doesn't even make sense to be doing this. It doesn't even make sense at all. Like, it's just literally retracing yesterday's candlestick, everything, literally retracing every single thing. Almost, though, of course, almost. But yeah, the minute you took me out, I collapsed my EU whilst in profit cause I knew it wasn't gonna survive. Yeah, that was a good move. 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 Ooh, what it touched. Yeah, SL hit. Damn, that happened in a second. SL hit on EURUSD. We hit SL on what? Let's log that to. Disrespected the CB yesterday and closed my cells. Didn't hit my SL though. And now look at it now. Yep. Yep. Just look at it. Look at it. Yeah. Also hit SL there. Let's just clean that. That was in the trade. Copy link. What's today's date? 14 Tuesday. There's a London session. It is Euro. I should also do a drop. a drop. Eurusd. Total soup loading on that GU though. Yeah, that was a crazy drop. Talking about total soup. That was a nested drop. We might retrace that, so you're betting on the retracement of that. To retrace. What the hell? Okay. Stop. And then also exit is the same thing. We took a buy. Let's take that link. This was also a loss, -8 pips too. Yes, this was today. Bit catching L's. You said GU turtle soup. Oof, I don't know what. This is a nasty one. This is nasty. I don't want to lie. Where's the next drawn liquidity? Where are we going? Where are we going? Are we coming here? Yeah, this is Jesus Christ. This is crazy. They even disrespected the daily BC. Disrespected the daily BC. You know, when prices starts doing that, there's a lot going on. They suspected that daily BC. So this should be the next drawn liquidity. Or else it's just coming to actually fill in, because we do have that. There's a volume imbalance in it. That's a new week opening gap, not volume imbalance. It's a new week opening gap. It is a new week opening gap. That's a new week opening gap. So price might reject off of here, or might be going for that sell side liquidity. Maybe go for that sell side liquidity, or just rejecting off of the new week opening gap. But with the momentum, how everything is going, it is nasty. It is nasty. So the only trade that we got going on right now is the gold, right? That's the only one, which I highly doubt it will play out anytime soon. It will actually play out anytime soon. It'll probably give us proper movement during New York, right before the London session ends. Might get that push up to the upside, but we'll see how that actually plays out. Let me see real quick here. Damn. There's the only trade standing. How's German? How's the indices? How's the indices? Indices. reversing. Okay, NAS giving us higher prices. See, the only trade that you could have caught today was NAS buy. Then we got this tiny order block there, which prices reversed off of that order block. Damn, now it's just flying. S&P, same thing. US 30, more or less. Bitcoin still up there. Yeah, so that's pretty much looks like GBP AUD is also doing the same thing, that all the GBP pairs are actually falling. Yeah, and then GBP JPY, we're currently in there was a H4 BC, and also it looks like it's rejecting off of that daily CB, but we're also in a BC. Yeah, we're currently in a BC2. We'll see how this plays out too on GBP/JPY. Because looking at the daily, are we bullish? We're still bullish. Looking at the daily, we're bullish on GBP/JPY. We still have all that buy side to be swept, and we've just been bullish. So unless today it closes as a bearish, maybe might be a different story. So right now that we're just in a deep discount, and then we're currently in a H4 BC, prices might reverse from here and give us higher prices. But if you broke below, I don't know what we should expect from the GBP/JPY. So yeah, GBP/USD also rebalancing that new week opening gap. Let me new week opening gap. Just balancing off of that. We'll see. I'll be back in a minute. I have the same question too. Hold it up, I have the same question. There's no news, either drop. I'm asking myself the same question. Why? That why is a good question. And then looking at EURUSD, let's look at this. Price dropped, min threshold. Consequent encroachment, I mean, of the 4 minutes BC. For H4, did I say 4 minutes? Excuse, I'm distracted here. We got that H4 BC right there, and then prices tapped into the main threshold, and yeah, this is where we might be having the turning point of EURUSD. And looking at this, we already took out the previous day high. Even though there's that buy side, just that Friday high is just there, we might take it out, and then if we drop, we'll probably drop from there. Philip AX USD sell, bro. Everything with the dollar is selling right now. Everything with the dollar is selling. Everything with the dollar is selling. So yeah. Everything with the dollar, it is selling. Excuse me. Everything with the dollar is but now that previous day high has been taken out, where are we going next? I have a feeling that prices might drop. Now that we've taken out previous day high, we might drop. The DXY might drop. USD might give us higher prices. It took out rejecting off of the H4 BC. So I'm just gonna tape read this. I'll be tape reading this H4 15 minutes just to see. We already logged this, right? EURUSD. Yeah, we already logged it, so I can just delete all of this. Now let me just hide it for now. GU might be about to give us a market structure shift. GU is also rejecting off of the new week opening gap. Market structure shift, I'm guessing obviously on the 1 minute. Yeah, probably. But I'm no longer looking for any trades. I'm no longer looking for any trades on any of this. I'm not looking for any trades on any of this. Honestly. No voice. Yeah, no, I wasn't speak. I was busy with something. What's up, man? I see trade. What is good? What is good? What is good? Price seems to be rejecting off of this new week opening gap. And then we disrespected the daily species plus. But price seems to be rejecting off of that. And then also we took out the previous day high. Also seems to be giving us some lower prices. So right now I just tape reading. Now I just tape reading and see what this might be, the manipulation that we needed. And then why GU dropping though? I have no idea. There are no news. It just dropped. No clue. We were actually initially we were on a buy and also Eurusd buy, which we just got wiped out with the move out of nowhere. No news, no red folder news, nothing. Just price action. Just wiped us out, right? So yeah, that's that. Yeah, what do you got for today? Seems like that Bitcoin dropping, still going down too. I see trader, what you got for today? What were you looking at if you're on the charts this session? Were you on the chart this session or you just hopped in now on the charts? You just hopped in now because we got 20 minutes left for the Killzone. Only got 20 minutes left. We got 20 minutes left. What is happening? Bam ba dum ba dum bam. I also started a nose trades today. Oh, come on, man. Come on, man. We did take trades, ICT trader. We did take trades. We took a buy on EURUSD up there. As you can see, we got wiped out. And also we took a buy on GBP. As you can see, we also got wiped out. And then the third trade that we took is gold buy. As you can see, so far so good. So far so good. So those are the only trades that we actually have for today. 3. We already logged 2 of them. We already logged 2 of them, EURUSD and the GBP. Let me actually make a drop. Make it a drop, you know. Add another item. Euro, USD, GBP, USD. What else do we like taking? GBPA. Jesus Christ. And then maybe add gold. The rest we'll just add. This is okay. Let me just do this. Copy. This has EURUSD. This is GBPAUD. This is GBPUSD. This is Nasdaq. This is GBPUSD. This is EURUSD. Give it some room to breathe. Yeah, those are the trades. Ooh, gold is flying too. EURUSD retracing. Also the turtle soup, like you said. Who said turtle soup? Walela, yeah, turtle soup. But because the EURUSD is a stronger one, you might retrace all of that faster than the GBPUSD. GBPUSD is weak. It is weak. So for it to retrace all of this, EURUSD will retrace and probably take out Asia high before even the previous day high before GBPUSD does. So if you're trying to trade the turtle soup, to check the EURUSD is the better trade. EURUSD is the better trade to take. EURUSD is the better trade to take. And then I actually did another combine which only if only I was live streaming on during the New York session trading NAS, I was gonna share everything with you guys, but I'll do as much as I can. I'll send an update too for you guys here whenever I live stream during the London session. But I took a combine here, 100k with Top Step. I'm trying to pass again. I'm trying to pass another challenge with Top Step, obviously trading futures. Tolela things, you're right there. Make sure you look at that Eurusd instead of the GBP. You will be fine. Obviously, target is 6k. This is a one step. Most of you who don't understand the rules, I can go through the rules right now. So you only got one target, is to make 6k. That's your target, profit target. And then objective number 2, best day cannot be greater than 50% of your total profits, meaning you can't make more than 50% of your target, which means you can't make more than $3,000 a day, right? So if you want to pass it, you have to make $3,000 today, $3,000 tomorrow to pass it. You can't make more than that. You can't just make 6k and pass it. So you have to make sure that your best of day cannot be greater than your total profits to be made. And then of course, do not hit the daily is 2k, 2000, and your account will be deactivated for the day. This is not a rule, it's just an objective, right? So if you hit more than 2000, they're gonna pause your account for the day, and then you'll continue tomorrow. And then they only got one rule, which is obviously do not hit the maximum loss. And then I think the maximum loss for this account is 4,000. So yeah. And then of course they have a trailing equity. As you can see, it's trailing. My maximum went from, no, it's 30,000 actually. I'm not supposed to lose a total of 30,000. So as you can see, it went from, my equity, maximum loss equity went from 97,000. Now it's at 98 because yesterday I made 1,001. So those are actually the rules. So I'm trying to pass this one also and get funded with Top Step again. More accounts with Top Step. So yeah, we will see. I'll keep updating you guys on how it went. I'll keep updating you on how this challenge with Top Step went, and you should remind me too if you want to know. Entry, I don't know, wait for a market structure shift. I think you should have went if you wanted to go in the trade, to be honest. If you wanted to go into this trade, you should have got in the trade already. 1 minute, is there a market structure shift? Nah, we got one here, but the question is, will price come back down there? Right, we got one there. Let's look at the, yeah, 1 minute is the only one, but if price can come there, yeah, maybe can confirm. Right, Gbpusd, it's still down there, but if you're looking at a trade here, it will take time for you. And the minute Eurusd gain some little momentum, GBP will be the first one to drop more. It will be the first one to drop more. So when it comes to entry, I have no idea. It is up to you. I have no idea. You can also use this. That'll be deep discount at least if you want to enter. If not, I don't know. I don't know. Gold is giving us what we want. Gold is giving us what we want. Ask anyone if actually they take If anybody took a buy on gold, nobody answered, so I'm guessing nobody actually took a buy on gold. Chakalisa. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. What? I to buy? What do you mean? I to buy? You're saying you bought gold? Is that what you're saying? Waiting at one. Let's see. Wait. Okay. You're waiting at. Oh, literally there. Okay. You're looking for an entry there. Cool. That's what you're waiting for, dope. I'm guessing you're gonna have a crazy wide SL. But yeah. Chakalisa. Lisa, I'm gonna say Lisa. Are you saying you bought gold? Or talking about something else? Are you talking about something else, my brother? What are you talking about? Ooh, gold. Nasty. So I'm just gonna wait for this to hit our TP, then we log it, and then we're gonna call it a session. We're gonna call it a session. Sheesh. S&P. This three, I'll just look at them during New York. I don't even want to touch them right now. I'll look at them during New York session. I will look at them during the New York session. Looks like all the GBP pairs are retracing. GBP JPY, as I said, also looking at the daily, it should be bullish, and we're currently in a discount. I'm not sure if you guys were actually listening when I was actually analyzing GBP JPY. We're currently in that BC. Expected price to reject off of that, which gave us very discount price for the day. Gave us discount for the day, and then if you're actually going for higher prices, buying at that discount somewhere there for the day is actually nice. And then target, of course, gonna target already took out previous day high, so gonna have a very weird target. But GBP JPY, as I said, expecting higher prices too, expecting it to take off, just waiting for this bad boy to take out buy side, then we can call it a session. And guys, while you're still here, make sure you like. We're sitting at 286 subscribers. We're sitting at 286 subscribers on the channel. If we hit 500, I'm doing something special. Once we hit 500, that's my target. I'm doing something special. I'm doing something special for y'all. If we hit 2, if we hit 500, I'm definitely doing something special for y'all. I'm doing something special. Do you guys think I should do like your day in the life of a trader type stuff? Do you think I should do that? I tried one. Well, I did one. Right. I did one. You know, what do you guys think about that? Should I make more? Should I make more of those? Should I buy more of those? Olela buying me a top step. Hey, you wanna buy a top step? You wanna buy a top step, Olela? Should give it a go. Should try it. Futures is not that bad. It's not that bad. It is not that bad, and I feel like it's easy to get funded there. Even though the rules are a little bit strict, if you're not careful, you can easily get chopped out. But if you're following the proper rules, trading the proper way, yeah, I mean, like, it's easy to just blow the account with top step, to be honest, because futures is crazy. Trading futures is crazy, to be honest. It is crazy. So yeah, as I was saying, guys, day in the life, I'm like that. Mine are not that exciting, that boring as hell. It's not that exciting, but you know, what do you guys think about the one that I made? Did you guys watch it? Did you guys watch it? The day in the life. Let's go to it. You'll be buying me from when you ha 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 ha. Everybody will want that. If I hit 500, everybody will want that. That's a problem. That's a problem. If I hit that, everybody be wanting that top step. Everybody be wanting that top step. Should I make more of this? I don't remember. That was 7 months ago. That was a long time ago. I actually wanted to make more of those, but like, okay, yeah, it is what it is. But should I make more of this? Day in the life. That might be boring as hell, but hey. Top step, you should get one. It's not that expensive, is it? It's like around, it's going to the dash. It's going to the dash. Top. They even have a special, no? There's a special. This is the 50k. You can get the 50k at $19, obviously, per month, if you don't pass it within a. Yeah, the activation fee is 150. Yeah, I pay once off 150 after you. This is for data. This is you just paying for data, right? And it also comes with a free reset. So if you buy it this month and then you fail and then you wait for the next month, they charge you 19, you're gonna get a free reset. You try again, right? And then 150, the 150 at the activation fee. After you pass to get funded, you need to pay that 150 activation fee, and then you get your account, and then you start trading. And then yeah, and the 150, it's the same for any account size. Even if you got the 200, is it the 150? Yeah, even if you got that, you still pay. Even if you got this, you still pay the same activation fee as all of them. So now they got a special, you know, from that to that, and then the 100k, $69 right now. So you guys should try it. Should try it. You know, should try it. Let's hit TP. Thank you. Damn it. Hit TP. I want the 100. Yeah, I should get the 100. Should get the 100. You know, I wanted to trail the gold, to be honest. I don't know how I forgot, but I got closed down, but it is. I wanted to trail it to leave some running, but it is what it is. We can log this. It was a good trade. I know if you most of y'all didn't actually take this trade. I know, because the only person that I know who took this trade is Kieran and is it Jordan? Yeah, Kieran and Jordan. Yeah, Kieran and Jordan are the people that actually took this buy. The rest, I don't know. But yeah, we're just gonna log these two into the stream. Copy 14 Tuesday. It's a London. Damn it, did I just do that? Copy here, paste. You wish you took it. Yeah. Oh, Lela, you didn't take it. I'm guessing you didn't take it too, of course. Yeah, you're still nesting the losses. I'm like, it's fine. You're still nesting the losses that we took from. Wait, was it entry? Still nesting the yeah. Still nesting the losses we took on the Euro USD and GBP. I understand. Buy, and then can have that link. Beautiful trade on gold. Sheesh. Yep, it's beautiful. I was still recovering from GU loss. Yeah, that's what I say. You're still recovering from that, so it's understandable, man. How many pips is this? Yeah, damn it. Is it 72 pips? See, this is so unfair now. Putting 72 here is so unfair. It is so unfair. But 76, no, 76. That's 76 pips, right? I hope that is 70 pips. Is that 70 pips? 76? This is 76 pips, right? But this is so unfair, including it with this, with the rest. It's so unfair. That's why I even excluded the GBP. I mean, the indices, putting them separately on this side. But okay, it's fine. Yeah. So far on this live stream, how do I do what's this? How do I do win rates? I wanna calculate win rates, right? Excuse me. I wanna calculate win rates. Let's just say, for example, I wanna put a win rate right there. How do I do that? To calculate, obviously, the wins and the losses. So it's gonna add all of the wins and divide it by the total. I'll try to do, yeah, that was beautiful. Trade on gold, full TP smashed. Yeah. That was a dope intro. Guys, how do I do this? I wanna put win rate right here. Put on some color, too dark. Let's make you bold. But yeah, I wanna put like a win rate somewhere there. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Let's try it manually to see if any I can't put them manually. I'll find a way to calculate that, to calculate the win rate. I'll find a way to calculate the win rate. I will. And then and say total pips. I think I should leave some space under here. But yeah, I'll just do this on the next stream. I'll definitely re-edit this and put it properly. Should see all the total pips made, and also a win rate for the week. Should go by week by week. Should be divided by week. I'll definitely do that. But yeah, gold still flying, giving us higher prices. EURUSD looks like it didn't take you where you wanted to buy. Olela looks like it didn't tap into that. Might be going for that Asia high. And then GBP also, even though it's struggling, like I said, GBP will struggle to give us more higher prices. It will struggle, but it looks like it is doing that. So yeah, that's pretty much, guys. That's pretty much what happened today. That's pretty much what happened today. That's pretty much what happened today. I'm gonna send this to the group, those who probably missed the stream. Let me update the group. Nah, actually, let me just post this. Those who want access, they'll ask for access for trades. That was and also, if you want access to the sheet, feel free. Link is in the chat. I'll just pin it now. Replace. And then I should divide this by weeks. This is Friday. Copy. Delete. Yeah. Should divide that by weeks. Olala said going for Asia low on the GU. Doing well so far. Did you take the trade? Damn. Oh. What do you mean Asia low? Are you talking about a retest on the Asia low? I'm talking about that Asia low there. Oh, this is what you're talking about. Asia low. And if the GBPUSD is doing that, EURUSD should be going flying to the Asia high. in the trade. Oh, nice. Oh, EURUSD is already close to Asia high. Already close to the Asia high. I wonder what happened here, honestly. I wonder what really happened here. Like, I wonder what really happened. Oh, yes, as a target. Oh, top. I wonder what really happened here, to be honest. I'm curious. That was a crazy turtle soup. That was a nasty one. And look at the dollar too. Accumulated higher, manipulated into the previous day high, and then now we're dropping. This is what we're going for. We're going for that Asia low too. We're definitely going for that Asia low. And the gold won't waste time. I feel like the gold will continue going up. I feel like it will continue going up. So yeah, guys, we're 16 minutes outside the kill zone. I'm done for the New York session, the London session. I am done for the London session, and yeah, that is everything. I'll definitely try to go live again during the New York session to tape read this, guys. I want to see how this would actually play out. I'll probably go from 8 a.m. I'll probably go live from 8 a.m. That's to prepare for this. 8 a.m. to prepare for this, and probably I might maybe stay until this time. Excuse me, but yeah, excuse me about that. I might go in from live for that long. So yeah, that's how many hours? 2 hours. So probably stay for another 3 hours during the New York session. So yeah, right now I just need to take a break, relax, go somewhere, you know, get myself off the charts so that when I come back, I am good. Gotta go touch the grass. Crazy. Joseph. Gotta go touch the grass. So that's it, guys, for the session. I hope y'all had a great one. Xolela, all the best with the trade, all the best with that. It will definitely hit that. So make sure that you keep looking your profits. And yeah, guys, I think that is it for the session, and I will see you guys. Make sure you come back. New York session, but I'll update in the Telegram whether I'm coming back or not. But yeah, I'll let you guys in the Telegram channel if I'm coming back on the New York session. But definitely I want to come back for the news. So yeah, we'll see you guys. I'll see you guys later. Peace.